This is the Solana phone that I ordered last year, and after over 360 days, no kidding guys, I mean literally after over 1 year, I just received it. I've not seen how it looks like before, and that means I'm going to unbox it and we'll see how it looks like at the same time. Now let's get started. I enjoy cutting phones a lot. I can do this all day and I will never get tired of it. So here we go. It's just the packaging. You know, I don't know if I would be disappointed at the design, but I think this is going to be a good one. But here's what we have in front of the packaging. We've got Sika and we have Solana Mobile. I don't know if you can see it right there. So I'm just going to cut this guy off. Yeah. Wow. I can see the box inside. I think this one is going to be worth it. Here we go. Wow, I think the packaging is fine. Still the same sticker we have here. It's on both sides of the phone actually. Wow. Here we go. I think this is a very fine one. The design is fine. And we have the front. So I don't know, what do you think guys? There's something they wrote here, Seed Vault. Wow, look at it. I don't know if you can see that. Seed Vault. Let me keep this guy aside. I'll come back to it later. Let's see what else we'll find inside the packaging. We've got this guy that has quick start guide, product information, and warranty card. Then I don't really know what this guy does, but I guess it's for seed phrase. If you have ever used a Web3 wallet, you know that you need seed phrase or key phrase, and this is used for securing your wallet. And you still have another one, so it comes with two 24-digit key phrase. Next, inside the packaging box, you've got a black Type-C cable. Just take it off here, and there we go. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable. This is one of the nicest USB cable I've ever unboxed. It's so pretty. And here we have the SIM eject pin. Back to the phone here. I will just pull this guy out. You know, I like doing that a lot. I'll turn the phone on. Let's go. Solana Mobile. You know, everything about this phone is amazing. This is the startup page when you turn the phone on for the first time, and see the kind of fine pattern it has at the top. So I'm just going to set it up. I'll select English as my language. Okay, then agree to their terms and conditions, and then Google terms and conditions. And here is one amazing thing about this phone. It's a Solana phone, and that means everything about it is cryptocurrency. And here is what it's telling me, that without importing my seed phrase or creating a new seed phrase, which is virtually a cryptocurrency wallet, I can't actually access this phone. And this is the first time I'm turning the phone on. That means everything about this guy is just cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency Web3 wallets. So I will just go on and create a new wallet. After setting up the Web3 wallet, it has taken me to the home screen, and this is how the home screen looks. It is virtually like every other Android phone, except for that it has some apps which you will only find in a Web3 phone. Like, I think there's one app I saw here, it's called App Store. I don't know if it's an app you find in Google Store or if it is just limited to this device alone. And it also has some other default app like Gemini and some others as well. But everything with this phone is just like every other Android phone, especially if you go to the settings. You find out that the settings is still the same. The name of the device is Sika. The Android version is 15 and it has 128 gig of storage space. But so far, the phone is so smooth, the display is fine. I think it's an AMOLED display, but I'll get to that later because I'll make a separate review video about this phone. But the last thing I'm going to try before I let go of this video is the camera. So let's see how the camera looks. So let me take a quick picture of myself and see how the camera looks. I'll just go ahead and take a picture of myself. I think the Solana Sika phone worth it. I'm going to make a complete review and I will tell you every details, every specification of this device. So watch out. And if you are not following me already, this is the right time to follow me. So when I make that video, you get to see it.